All right, so you want to replace your brakes, right? This could be like the front or like the back. These are the back that I'm doing right now. Number one, you take the wheel off, of course, while I'm sitting on it right now. I showed you. Number two, you take off the brake caliper bolts, which is two. There's one right here and there's one back here. So take these off. All right, one. Take this off. Two. And now this comes off. Bam, just like that. You see? Which is two. There's one right here and there's one back here. So take these off. All right, one. Take this off. Two. And now this comes off. Bam, just like that. You see? Now you rest this. You put it with a wire or something, but I can just rest it here so it's not pulling on this hose, so this hose doesn't get damaged. All right. Next thing you need are your brake pads. You can slide them out. Okay, just like that. Change your brake pads. This is what fucking mechanics charge a bunch of money for. All right. They say complete brake job, so they charge for. Bam. All right. Now we loosen up two bolts that hold this in place, which are these right here. One. So once you loosen up these two bolts, just take them off, I guess. And then your good old caliper holder is going to come off. All right, now you're ready to take this off. Oh, let me use both hands. There we go. Bam! Out with the old, right? In with the new. Up real quick. Now that you've tightened this up, all you do is just put your new pads on, just like this. Slide them in there. Bam. You got new rotors and new pads, just like that. All right. Next, we're gonna compress this piston, because if we try to put it on here, this is not gonna fit. All right. So we need to compress this right here. All right, let's do that. All right, so to compress this piston, you can grab a C-clamp and clamp it here, but we have this little caliper compression tool. As you can see, I'm tightening it in and it's compressing the piston right there. This is creating that space you need to put them in your pads. All right, let's loosen this up. Let's move this out of the way. Now this is compressed. So all I do is just slide it on here and grab the bolts. Put it on here. Let's see, make sure it goes in there. There we go. That's how easy it is to change your brakes, guys. Try to learn. Take some time to learn it yourself. Save some money. Especially right now, you need it the most. Don't ride around squeaking, waking the whole neighborhood up. And just like that, folks, everything's tightened up. But you got to put this wheel back on and you replace your brakes. Same procedure is done on the front one. The front ones and the back ones. I just did all of them. So this is the last one. I decided to film it real quick. Thank you for watching. Well, we're going to put the wheel up real fast and then that's it. All right, folks. A friendly reminder. These bolts, when you tighten up your wheel, they get tightened up in a star pattern. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't tighten them up in a circle. All right, that's not the way you do it. So you tighten it up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A star. You see how it forms a star? That's how you do it. All right, so let's tighten this up. All right, once we tighten it up, all we gotta do is just jack the car up again and remove our jack stand. All right, buddy, you're good to go. All right, remove the jack stand. And once everything's clear, let the car down. And voila, we're done with a brake job all the way around on this. Appreciate that. There you have it. Save yourself some money, man. Learn how to do this shit yourself. It's fucking easy, all right? Get some tools. That's the hardest part, buying the right tools. So every job can be easy with the right tools. If you have the wrong tools, you're not gonna make it. You can try to chop a tree down with a with a fucking butter knife, and you'll never do it. But if you buy a chainsaw, you'll do it in a couple minutes, So tools.